Hello, what's up, Mamel?
You want spaghetti?
Oh, thank you for the offering of me of food. Thank you so much.
You want
Is that
hello?
lunch? Is that lunch or what is that? Lunchtime?
Snack time.
Snack time. Hello.
Oh, snack time. Okay, I would love to join you guys, but I'm very far from you guys. You know.
Where are you from?
I would love to join.
Where are you from?
Me, I'm from India. Let's play the game.
I don't have viewer.
It's okay. I have. Oh, okay. Why is your name like TCHER? What is that? Oh, so you guys are a teacher. Wow, wonderful job. You know, I have so much respect of you guys.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. To wherever you are right now in the world, I think you guys are deserve so much high respect. You know, in every country. Yeah.
Thank you.
And right now, I'm so happy that you guys are eating your the snacks. Yeah. I hope you guys feel so much better eating a snack without sharing it to me. What is that? What is that? Is that milkshake?
Hello.
Oh, hello. Okay. All right. Where are you guys from?
Philippines.
Oh, I see. What is the famous food in the Philippines?
This one,
Tell me.
halo and chicken adobo.
Really? Is that I would love to try that someday, you know, if I come to Philippines, I want to try that one, yeah.
Okay.
Can you call your friends? Can you call your friends also? Let them join in the camera. I would love to see. Where's the other one? Where's the other lady? Oh, okay. She must be a teacher dancer. She dances very well, the other one. Which part are you guys in the Philippines?
Tagalog.
Pampanga.
What do you mean? Sinong Tagalog kayo? Sino nagsabi?
Kilala ka niya?
Kilala kita, hindi mo ba alam?
Talaga ba? Nagtitrip na naman daw siya, no? Guys, hi guys. Thank you for David. Hi David. Thank you David. Yeah.
O, di ba?
Huli.
Pero hindi ko lang.
Huli ka, pero hindi ka kulong.
Yes.
Oh, kaya walang ako. Kaya huli na, hindi pa din eh.
Oo, yun lang. Ganun naman sa Pilipinas, di ba? Sorry.
Gusto mo yung mekos-mekos insan?
Depende.
Hindi naliligo yun.
Parang ako lang.
Hindi naliligo yun, di ba, Charis?
Sabi ng isa dito, Cyril, nakita kita sa Trinidad. I saw you. Oh, really?
O, di ba?
Wow, I would say hi. Hi to you. Wala, ipaprank ko sana kayo mga teacher. Kaso, kilala niyo pala ako eh.
Yes.
Sinasabayan ka namin, no? Galing namin, no?
Kaya, yeah, you guys are amazing, you know? Like,
Alam mo naman,
totally amazing.
kuya, alam mo yung mga babae, laging tama.
Tama na, oo. Ulitin mo nga.
Alin yung ulitin ko?
Ang mga babae,
Ang mga babae, palaging tama. Ang mga lalaki,
ganun ba lagi dapat?
hindi, pero ang lalaki, may tama.
Hey, teacher! Ano pangalan mo, teacher?
Teacher Nix.
Okay, i-upload ko to sa Blue Up sa page ko kasi maganda yung sinabi mo.